Meanwhile, President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, has revealed that 2 of Jamaica's 3 home games in the CONCACAF Nations League later this year will be played in Western Jamaica. Jamaica will play Antigua and Barbuda, Aruba, and Guyana in League B of the Nations League starting in September. Ricketts adds that the JFF is hoping to secure a friendly for the team ahead of competition in August.
Well, we are not yet sure, but like you have said, the Nations League gets restarted in September. We have some home games. I think we have 3 games in Jamaica, 2 in Western Jamaica, 1 in Kingston. So we certainly will be looking to see if we can get a practice game before, but right now we have not yet secured a practice match.
Jamaica's last game in Western Jamaica in the CONCACAF Nations League was a 2-1 victory over Suriname in November of last year. The Reggae Boyz' last game in Kingston in the Nations League was the 4-0 victory over the Cayman Islands. Jamaica will play Guyana, Aruba, and Antigua Barbuda on a home and away basis, with only the group winner making progress to the League A of the Nations League in 2020.